Waziri wa chiseme Julius Migosi ogamba igara umoroberio bw'abaroki gugwetani chirubinye kurwa Kisii National Polytechnic kubekerwa chigutu hase chikosi eng'ana aesegeta sokwelika egayokonyora amasomo bune serikali igate bune school fees hase chisukuru chobobundi nigo yeikirwe goika chiringi chiribu 52 muri ketodi bune asanya arobotira senchira yogoikirano.
Allow me to extend my warmest heartfelt congratulations to each and every member of the class of 2026. Congratulations and clap for yourselves.
Naso muyiga ogatano nalimo bwaboroki gwetania chiriwinye litukulia lero babekerwa chigutwa sokonyora amaigelio ao anenase chikosi chobobundi. Mujigo yigokolekana ase skuru ya Kisii National Polytechnic igora wano mwaziri wechisemi Omoske Migosi ogamba.
An yielding commitment to excellence. Today, as you receive your certificates, your diplomas and higher diplomas, you join an illustrious lineage of Kisii National Polytechnic alumni who have gone forth to contribute meaningfully to our economy of this country, of the region, and globally wherever they are working.
Gukwana ekerekyo niga kerekoko okwegera anene chikosi cha magoko asateba ensi ya Kenya nigo yabeire nelibaga ligia anene liugukine sekte jaiga abantu bange konyora na kwelika.
The TVET space in Kenya has expanded exponentially with over 250 TVET institutions now operational and an enrollment exceeding 800,000. This remarkable growth is direct confirmation of the government's unwavering commitment to the provision of enhanced training opportunities for our youth and the achievement of 100% access to the competency-based education and training.
Gati ya baraibande baikirana asomo yegoyo no mokonyi bo mugabana we county ya Kisii Omoske Elijah Obebo uyuireri bagali omugabana we county ya Kisii igoboigo abolia abantu bonsi kubwatesia abaroki wabayiga banyarire konyora amaigelio unenchira ya moyo kubasira eli banyare gwetenenera.
Let us all hold their hands till they are able to stand alone. Let us guide them, connect with them and with their destiny, and most importantly, together we build a desirable society to live in. As your governor, because I'm reading this on behalf of His Excellency the Governor, I promise to offer the much needed support to all the youth as I keep molding them to their bright future.
Omwali yemu waziri ogamba nigakwanera okogendera kulikwa kwa borokia ase chiskuru chobobundi unenchira yemo yogotingia sekta yechisemi naboigo asateba niga serikali yabereke gokeya chibesa ababiri bagwakanira abana babo anena se chiskuru chokwegera amaigelio yechikosi chokoboko.
The government has listened to you and effective May 2026 fees of all public TVET institutions has been reduced and standardized to a total of 67,189 annually. And this amount includes assessment charges. Apply your skills relentlessly to build industries, create jobs, advance innovation, and propel the prosperity of our beloved nation.
Rwaiga ase eskuru yobobundi ya Kisii National Polytechnic me county ya Kisii lianigonkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.